What on YouTube? It's your boy Gook with another episode of Gook's Kicks. Today we have the Air Jordan 11 Space Jam. Boom! That thing is so nice, man. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Gook with another episode of Gook's Kicks. What's going on, sneaker gang? It's your boy Gook, you feel me? What's going on, sneaker gang? What's going on, sneaker gang? It's your boy Gook here. What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, back on another video, man. What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage. What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, man. Back at another video. What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, man. What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, man. We are back with another very informative video for you guys today. Some of my goals that have been on top of my mind is be more consistent, to have y'all come back to want to get entertained, you feel me? And we right around the corner from 15K, man. This is small talk right now. I see bigger and better things for this channel. So y'all stay tuned, man. So let's get right into this video. I want to get 20K, you feel me? I want to get past 20K this year, you feel me? Yo! We're at 30K! What's going on, man? I appreciate everybody for pulling up, man. For real. I'm all about support. I'm not about like, oh man, I'm trying to blow up, all this. It's all about love, man. And it's all about the sneakers. Everybody on YouTube, bro, y'all see it, man. 100,000 subscribers, man. And first and foremost, I want to say thank you guys from the bottom of my heart, man. I already got my tears out earlier, bro. I said I can't fold on the camera. I cannot fold on the camera. You know what I'm saying? I'm super excited. Like, this doesn't even feel real. This day doesn't feel real. Nothing, you know what I'm saying? But I do, truly appreciate it. I had to sit back and, kind of soak it all in and kind of digest, what was happening. You know what I'm saying? 100,000 subscribers now. Not everybody gets here, man. It's super hard. It's super tough. And the first thing that I actually thought about when I seen, that we hit 100K on YouTube is like, some people that came before me or some people I was coming up with that just completely stopped, which also makes a lot of sense. Like, this is tough, man. You put in a lot of hours, you put in a lot of time, you put a lot of dedication, blood, sweat, and tears. You put all of it into a YouTube channel. And I don't think a lot of people understand how much you actually have to do in order to maintain a YouTube channel. It's super hard. Take my hats off to everybody that's ever put up a YouTube video. Anybody's been consistent. And, that also makes me think and reflect back of all the times that I've taken breaks on YouTube. If you don't know, man, your boy DeVintage has taken so many breaks on YouTube. I had my downs, I had my ups, I had my lows, but I had a whole bunch of things. Dealt with a lot of different things on his YouTube channel. And I just reflect back on all the times I had to take a break. And I'm like, yo, this is what I want. This is definitely what I want. I want to grow on YouTube. I want to put content out to you guys, show you my passion for sneakers with you all. I said, I can't quit, man. I can't quit. It was never in me, you know what I'm saying? All the times that I came back to YouTube from all the different breaks, I'm talking I've taken 6 months off, 4 months off, but at the end of the day, man, I knew I wanted to really do YouTube. I want to put out content about sneakers. Is my true passion. Like, I'm an actual sneakerhead, bro. If y'all don't understand, man, I actually love sneakers. I am up here just reviewing shoes and telling y'all stuff. I actually rock my shoes. I love sneakers. I came up always loving shoes. So I said, yo, me coming up on YouTube kind of, makes sense, you know what I'm saying? Shouts out to Mike Rich. I know everybody probably knows, probably not a lot of people do know, but I first started watching sneaker YouTube and it was Mike Rich, you know what I'm saying? He probably don't even know what I'm saying is, I don't talk to Mike Rich on a daily basis, and we barely talk, but that's the person that kind of made me want to, share my passion with sneakers with everybody, you know what I'm saying? So shouts out to my Rich. Shout out to Scoop208, man. He helped your boy out when I first started. I sent him my collection video he put up on his story. If y'all know who Scoop208 is, man, a lot of y'all probably do know, but if you do, new to the sneaker world, you probably don't know who Scoop208 is. but I got to get my hats out to, you know, Scoop to it as well for helping me out, showing me a couple things too when it do come to, you know what I'm saying, this YouTube streets. And then along with everybody else that's helped me out, uplifting me every time that I have taken a break. But again, man, speaking about those breaks, I said, yo, I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna crush, and I'm gonna do my best in order to continue to grow, in order to continue to push my passion with you all. I didn't write a script down, I didn't write a speech, I'm just going off the top of the head, man. But there are so many more things that will be popping off on the channel, more, you know, early looks, more informative videos and stuff like that. And again, like I said, I don't even know how to process this day. Like, this day is crazy, man. Thank you guys, bro. Thank you from the bottom of my heart, bro. 100K, like I said, bro, I never thought that I would ever obtain, you know what I'm saying, reach 100,000 subscribers from all the things that I've been through on YouTube. And I'm just super proud of myself as well, man. That's something that I didn't do previously up until now in this current state of, you know, mind that I am in. I'm celebrating everything, you know what I'm saying? I'm celebrating all the accomplishments I have. I never really celebrated anything. I barely even celebrated my birthday. But I said, man, things like this don't happen to everybody. It's happening to people that grind. It's happening to people that put the time in, that put the work in, that don't care about nothing else. They just laser in on that mission that they want to accomplish. And 100,000 subscribers was the initial, you know what I'm saying, push for me to start doing YouTube. And I think that's just everybody's goal to reach, is that 100,000 subscribers. So just to think, you know what I'm saying, this little old me, you know what I'm saying, reaching out to 100,000 people that came across my channel and subscribed actually means a lot. I ain't come up riding nobody coattail. I ain't come up starting beef with anybody for no reason. I kept it true. I kept it, you know, passion for sneakers. And that's just always something I preach to myself. And I'm not gonna get into any of that other BS. I'm just keep it, you know what I'm saying, organic, keep it true, keep it sneakers, keep it fashion, and keep it rocking. I didn't go begging for no shout outs. I ain't go begging nobody's, you know what I'm saying, to collab me with them in their video. This is just strictly all me. And if there's anybody that's watching today's video, I recommend you do the same thing, man. Do your own thing, create your own content, and just keep it moving at the end of the day, trying to reach that 100K. But this was never meant to be a long video. I know y'all seen the montage at the beginning, or, you know, it started off from the Space Jam 11s. I gotta grab them. It all started from the Space Jam 11s on the channel, first reviewing on feet, up until today, and it just feels like surreal, bro. It just feels surreal. Sometimes I thought I should have had 100K earlier, but at the end of the day, man, it's all God's timing. It all played out how it's supposed to be in God's eyes. So again, thank you guys so much, man. Hey, this is not it. I'm not gonna lie. I got a confession to make to everybody. I literally thought that I was gonna be done with YouTube when I finally hit 100K. The beginning of the year, it said I would not hit 100K until 2026, man. And I wrote my goals out. I had literally, at the end of the year, I'm gonna post my entire layout of my goals that I wanted to do for 2024. One was complete my master's degree. If you don't know, man, your boy completed his master's degree. And the number 2 on there was to hit 100,000 subscribers. So I put it out in the air. I put it out in the atmosphere. I worked so hard. I came up with different ideas to kind of help me further on this YouTube journey. And I said, bro, if I don't hit it till 2025, I'm not gonna reach my goal. You know what I'm saying? It's not gonna happen. And I said, yo, I'm gonna be done with YouTube after I finally get it in a year and a half. But it's crazy, you know what I'm saying? 5 months later, or 6 months if you wanna count since we are June, we are at 100,000. That just kind of motivated me even more, kind of give me more different ideas to actually implement on the channel. And I said, man, I was gonna be done with YouTube. I said, I'm gonna shift to something else. And now it just seems like I got another fire under me, and I just wanna go crazy even more on YouTube as far as pushing my passion for sneakers with the DeVintage Squad. So man, I love y'all. I appreciate all the support, man. 100K, we did it, man. I cannot believe it. Just all smiles, all just pure emotion, just bottled up, man. And it just feels so real at the end of the day. And probably me watching this video a couple months from now, a couple years from now, I'm always looking at myself and say, man, I'm proud of you, bro. So I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Keep rocking out with your boy DeVintage, man. More content coming. You guys know it ain't gonna stop. Make sure you hit the notification bell for your boys to miss out on any videos that we do drop. If you don't know, man, we just dropped an early look over a couple of shoes, man. We got oxidized green 4s. We got white thunder 4s. We got all types of early looks, man. So make sure you check out the channel and check out some early kicks. I love y'all. Appreciate all the support, man. I'll just say it, bro. I'm gonna catch you in the next video, man. Peace.